What's college baseball without a severe weather delay, huh? One of my most vivid Omaha memories is being hunkered down in a gas station outside of the old Rosenblatt Stadium with my dad and about 50 other soaking wet baseball fans as sirens blared and we waited for a tornado to pass. A little while later, the creepiest green sky you've ever seen cleared to a cloudless blue, and it was game time. Energetically speaking, extended rain delays can be very tricky for athletes to navigate. When you're going to be waiting a while, I recommend watching, reading, or listening to something inspiring. Something that makes you feel good. That could be old game footage of a miracle comeback or a big championship win. Or you could also read a motivational book or biography of someone you look up to. Meditating or listening to positive, uplifting music is also a great choice. Basically, you want to get yourself on a winning vibration while relaxing your body and conserving your energy. Relax without napping, stretch intermittently, and take the opportunity to hydrate yourself. Most importantly, you want to avoid falling into frustration or patterns of impatience. These low energetic states will drain and weaken you energetically, making you more susceptible to errors, injuries, and losses when gameplay resumes. It's also helpful to understand that energy is contagious. In a team situation, if one person becomes frustrated, it can quickly create a domino effect that negatively affects the strength of the entire team. Remember, your calm is your superpower. Embrace the delay and use it to gain an energetic advantage. When game time comes, take a moment to resync your energy as one unit. A great way to do this is by dancing, singing a song together, or simply clapping your hands in rhythm. Feel good, play good. This is how we can control the energy and control the game. Are you interested in learning how energy management can enhance your performance? Visit energeticathletics.com today